Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at the crash test results and safety performance of Toyota's TNGA-K platform, XU70, which underpins popular models like the Toyota Highlander and Harrier. Crash test ratings is USA, earned the highest top safety pick plus rating, scoring good across all major impact evaluations, frontal overlap, side impact, and roof strength. NHTSA, USA, awarded the full 5-star overall safety rating, excelling in both front and side impact crash scenarios. Euro NCAP/NCAP achieved a 5-star rating, scoring over 85% for both adult and child occupant protection. Key safety features high-rigidity frame, uses ultra-high-tensile steel in a ring-shaped structure to absorb and redirect collision energy away from the cabin. Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) includes active safety tech like pre-collision warning, automated emergency braking, and lane keep assist to help prevent accidents before they happen. Toyota RAV4 XU70 series, which is built on the TNGA-K platform. Crash test ratings is USA, earned the top safety pick status, scoring the highest good rating in key crash tests, including small overlap front, moderate overlap front, and side impact evaluations. NHTSA, USA, achieved an overall 5-star safety rating, scoring 5 stars in side crash tests and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover assessments. Euro NCAP/NCAP received the full 5-star rating, scoring 86% for adult occupant safety and 87% for child occupant protection. Key safety features: TNGA-K high-rigidity frame, utilizes ring-shaped frame structures and high-tensile steel to effectively absorb and disperse impact energy during a collision. Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) includes active crash prevention tech like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, and automatic emergency braking. YouTube script outro. If you found this RAV4 crash test breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button. For more car safety updates, reviews, and automotive news, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.